What if you don't have labels on your wires? This is a common question, and I've got a trick to help you make sure that you're wiring your speakers correctly, even if your wires aren't labeled. There's a really simple way to check speaker wire polarity, even if your wires aren't labeled. Here's how you do it with a 9-volt battery. Take one wire and place it to the positive or the smaller terminal on the battery, and place the other one on the negative terminal. Watch what happens. In this case, the speaker pushes outward. That means that the wire that's connected to the positive terminal on the battery should be connected to the positive terminal on the amplifier, and the other wire should be connected to the negative terminal on the amplifier. If your wires were reversed, watch what happens to the speaker. In this case, the speaker pulls inward. Well, that means that I need to connect the wire that's on the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal on the amplifier, and the wire that's on the negative terminal of the battery to the positive terminal on the amplifier.